How to remove browsing history on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're in the View page, here you're going to find different sections. Over here, you'll find this section of browsing history. Click on that. Then scroll to the right and click on See All. You'll be able to find all of your browsing history. Now how to delete it? For that, what you have to do is, at the right corner of each of the item, you're going to find three dots. Click on it. Click on Delete. With that, you have just deleted that item from your browsing history. By applying the same process, you can easily delete other items from browsing history. Just click on three dots and click on Delete. So, this is really simple and quick process. So, this way you can easily remove browsing history on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.